Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study physics galaxy only way. Begin by focusing on core laws and simple models, then build complexity step by step with problems. Alternate short problem sessions with review using spaced repetition and active recall to lock concepts in. Work in focused 25 to 50-minute blocks and explain solutions aloud. Prioritize deep understanding over rote memorization for consistent progress. Create a study routine that balances reading, problem solving, and review in clear blocks each day. Start sessions with a short concept review, then tackle 2 or 3 representative problems at increasing difficulty. After each problem, write one concise explanation and extract any misconceptions into flashcards for later review. Keep a steady pace and adjust challenge level to maintain productive struggle without burning out. Always begin problems with a quick sketch and list of knowns and unknowns to ground your thinking. Use estimation and dimensional checks to validate results before finalizing solutions. When stuck, simplify the problem by removing complicating features or using limiting cases. Talk through each step as if teaching someone else to expose gaps. Over time, this practice turns complex problems into routine procedures you can trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.